Hello everyone, welcome to our new playlist from Pandabood Tutorials. In this playlist, we will be exploring different science simulations for everyone. Whether you are in primary school, high school, or even an adult who just likes to explore science, here I will be providing you with detailed videos on various science topics. In each video, we will focus on only one simulation. We will choose a fun interactive game or simulation and unlock all its settings, explaining the science behind it in a very simple and basic way that can be understood by everyone. We will be doing tutorials on electrical circuits, the solar system, gravity, the states of matter, density, build an atom, and more. Most of our simulations will be from PhET Interactive Simulations and a few others from other websites. If you would like to see specific science simulations, suggest them in the comments below. Stay tuned for endless simulations and games. Pandabood.